Hindi ito mahaba, maikli lang, pero sana naman tumagos sa inyong mga puso ang aking sasabihin. Alam mo naman, ang Marinduqueño ay talagang mapagmahal. Distinguished school official, Faculty and Staff Educational System Technological Institute or ESTI, proud parents and guardians, honored guests, and most importantly, our graduates. A warm and joyful good afternoon to everyone. Good afternoon. Isang mapagpalang araw at taos-pusong pagbati sa inyong lahat. I stand before you today not as someone born into privilege or given an easy road to travel. I am a fellow Marinduqueño who rose from very humble beginning. Nagsimula ako sa simpleng pamumuhay. May mga panahong kailangang pagtiyagaan ang bawat pangangailangan at maging mapamaraan sa bawat pagkakataon. But through hard work and honesty and unwavering faith in God, I built my path. I started as a factory worker, shop maintenance, hotel employee, and the last one is a cruise ship crew in America. And when I decided to stay for good, I became a small businessman, growing through dedication until the time came to serve our people in public office. My journey taught me one truth: where you start does not decide where you will finish. I am especially pleased to be here at ESTI, an institution that has served our province well. It began its mission by offering training in seamanship, opening the seas as a pathway to livelihood and progress. Over the years, it has expanded, included programs such as criminology, business administration, computer studies, and other technical vocational courses, giving our youth practical, meaningful skill for the modern world. Mula sa paglalayag hanggang sa pagpapatupad ng batas at pagpapatakbo ng serbisyo, dito sa ESTI kayo nahubog, hindi lamang sa kaalaman, kundi pati sa tamang asal at paninindigan. Let me share 3 lessons that guided my life, which I hope will light your way too. First, never be ashamed of your roots. Huwag ninyong ikahiya ang inyong pinagmulan. If you come from simple home, that is not weakness. That it is your strongest foundation. Think of our maritime student. A good vessel stays steady because it has a solid hull beneath the water, not just bright sail above. Ang iyong pinagmulan ang magpapala sa iyo kung paano magpahalaga sa bawat tagumpay at kung paano manatiling matatag sa gitna ng hirap. As Marinduqueños, we are known for resilience and integrity. Carry that name with pride wherever you go. Carry that pride. Ito po ang taglay-taglay ko nung ako ay nagtatrabaho sa ibang lugar. Lagi kong ipinaglalaban ang lalawigan ng Marinduque. Bagamat hindi kilala ang Marinduque ng ibang ating kababayan, tinatanong ako kung nasaan daw ang Marinduque. I always stand. Sabi ko, ang Marinduque ay nasa Southern Luzon. Ipinaglalaban ko ito dahil alam ko ang Marinduqueño ay mababait at may dangal at matapat. Dalhin ninyo ito, ang ugaling Marinduqueño. Tayo'y masipag, matyaga. Second, face challenges like a skilled navigator. Sa paglalakbay ng buhay, hindi laging kalmado ang karagatan. There will be strong winds, big waves, and moment when you cannot see the horizon clearly. In my business years, I faced losses and uncertainty. In public service, I faced heavy responsibilities and difficult choices. Alam nyo naman, ako'y nasa politika na po, talagang mabigat ang aking responsibilidad na ang ating lalawigan ay masolusyonan ang ating mga infrastruktura dito. Masolusyonan ang ating pamumuhay dito. Malaki po itong aking responsibilidad na ito. Pero hindi ko inaatrasan ang responsibilidad na ito dahil gusto kong ma-deliver ito ng tama sa ating mga mamamayan. Ganyan po tayo. Mamahalin natin, mamahalin ko ang aking responsibilidad na ito at ibibigay ko ng pantay-pantay sa aking mga nasasakupan na makababayang Marinduqueño. For those taking up criminology, you learn early that doing what is right is not always the easiest path, but it is always the right one. Ang pagsubok ay hindi hadlang, kundi bahagi ng pagsasanay upang tumibay ang iyong kakayahan. Kapag nahihirapan ka, huwag sumuko. Ayusin lamang ang iyong direksyon at magpatuloy. Third, measure success by what you give, not only by what you gain. Tayo ganyan mga Marinduqueño, sukatin natin ang ating buhay kung ilan ang ating natulungan o nabibigyan, hindi kung ano ang ating natatanggap. Baguhin na natin ang pagkakataon, mga kababayan ko. Huwag tayong tanggap ng tanggap, magbigay naman tayo. Ang tunay na tagumpay ay hindi nasusukat sa yaman o posisyon, kundi sa kung paano mo nagagamit ang iyong kakayahan para sa kapwa. If you sail the seas, bring honor to our country and provide for your family with dignity. If you serve in law enforcement, protect the innocent and uphold justice fairly. If you enter business or office work, do it with honesty so you can create opportunities for others too. Balikan ninyo ang ating minamahal na Marinduque. Gamitin ang inyong natutunan dito sa ESTI upang makatulong sa pag-angat ng ating bayan at ng ating kababayan. Graduates, this diploma you hold today is proof of your effort, but it is also a promise and a responsibility. Dalhin ninyo ang magandang pangalan ng inyong paaralan, ang pagmamahal ng inyong pamilya, at ang diwa ng tunay na Marinduqueño. Set your goal high, stay true to your values, and sail forward with confidence. Mangarap kayo ng mataas, magsikap ng tapat, at huwag kalimutan kung sino kayo at kung saan kayo nanggaling. Congratulations to the class of 2026. You have earned this achievement. God bless you all. Pagpalain kayo ng may kapal, saan man kayo dalhin ng inyong kinabukasan. Mabuhay at maraming salamat. Tayo po'y tumayo. At tayo po'y sumigaw ng malakas. Ito ang isigaw ninyo. Yehey! Yeba! Okay! iyan ang sigaw ng tagumpay ninyo. Okay. Muli, maraming salamat sa inyo at magandang hapon. God bless you all and God bless Marinduque.